Bluewrist Incorporated is this year's winner of the Ingenious Small Private Company Award. It is a great example of an Ingenious Award. Bluewrist's project, Robotics and 3D Machine Vision, set out to address a problem that plagues every manufacturing industry, and that is a highly manual, complex, and time-consuming process for manufacturing parts inspection. Typically, the manufacturing parts quality assurance process is a very manual and complex process, and it's fraught with disruption on the line. Usually, the manufacturing parts review process can be very time-consuming and disruptive because if a defect is discovered, the line has to be stopped. If only a sample of parts are inspected on the line, then there might even be the case where defects get through the line, which can result to later quality problems and recall potential. Bluewrist's solution has led to more precise manufacturing parts assessment because 100% of the line is now inspected, not just a small sample. In addition, the solution can also look at the layout of parts on a tray prior to assembly. This is really important for manufacturing of things like medical devices or complex parts production. Bluewrist's solution was a clear winner in this year's Ingenious Award Small Private category for a number of reasons. Their innovative combination of technology, which led to incredible results for a small company. Bluewrist's solution saved millions of dollars from fewer product recalls on the line due to their innovative technology and just overall enhancements in quality and safety of the manufacturing process. The implication for Bluewrist's solution are incredible in all industries where high reliability is crucial to quality and safety.